Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2017 Yamaha MT125. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's grab a close look at this Yamaha. It is HPI clear. It'll just come with a spare key in the pack. We'll start at the front, work all the way around, point out any extras it's got with it, get a good look at the condition. As you can see, it's got the Puig front screen on it, the smoke screen. That's been added to it. So let's get a look at the front wheel from this left hand side. It does have ABS brakes on this. And let's get a look all over this left hand side first. It's in a matte black, the colour on this. Obviously, with being a 125, it is road legal for a learner, so long as you've got your CBT. Let's get a look. Rear shock there. Get a look at the chain and sprocket as well. Really popular 125, these. Very easy to ride. A nice comfy riding position as well. And literally just a scaled down version of the MT-07 and MT-09. Another very popular bike. Let's move over to the back. You can see it's got an R&G tail tidy on there as well. We'll move around to the right hand side. Looking at the back brake. The back wheel, you'll notice it's also got Black Widow exhaust on it. It's a bit noisier than the standard one. And we'll finish up back at the front wheel on the right hand side. So what we'll do now, get a look up at the controls and get the exact mileage off it. Right, let's take a look at the controls. So you got your front brake, your kill switch, your starter, you got that little info button there, which is for the dash, because it's a full LCD dash. And you've got your clutch, you've got your lights, indicators and horn, and you've also got the Oxford heated grips on here, so your controls are on there for that. So let's turn this on, get the miles off it. So it's done just 7,145 miles. Okay, let's start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in close-up, we can do that and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.